Hi all, today I'm visiting this tiny house village and really brought me attention this tiny house. In the front of the house there is very nice porch. House is built actually on the truck and I have been told that you still can drive it. Proper house door. That's how it looks from this side with tiny porch. Cat entry door. As you can see, all the cockpit is covered, but actually you can lift it up and put just a driving seat, steering wheel, and you can drive. I love this big window, it brings in so much light. And have a look at the ceiling, it's such a nice shape. Large kitchen with gas burner stove, fridge and freezer, decent size shower, composting toilet of course, washing machine, a lot of storage in the bathroom as well, and the loft. So that was the quick tour of this tiny house. I hope you enjoy it. I don't know a lot of information about it, but I thought it was worth to have a quick peek into it because I like how it looked outside and the idea that it's actually built on the truck and it still can be moved. So let me know, what do you think about this idea to build a tiny house on a truck that actually can drive?